about what?
So I have Lowen on the track.
I
have Ypee on it. I have Osekom Sekeni on it. I have Amerado.
Hey.
Yaa Jackson.
Hey.
One BM. Frimpong also. Or maybe 7 or 8.
Wow.
Rapfather.
Rapfather,
yes. Omuna also. Because of the movement, no.
Wow.
If I say we also have these talents in KUMERICA. Things that just trending BKK KUMERICA oh yan kabine MSABA Shatabando na or trendy maybe a genesis name move into
but intesa
enya sanity I've talked to a lot of people or more from line adena or more planning to make sure say every angle of the city no uti omunse no kana. It is not just say yen trendy keke and I say boys be MS omoye America for now omoye blaze no mon checkers. It goes way beyond that.
Wow.
You know ankayamba ankaontiasie ma amanfo entisasim way. And then yeba no that is the good reasons yeba here. Say be ma amanfo atiase because yin na yo ho it is amanfo so mo say asante amamre na say bi omuji mi because say what is this useless KUMERICA thing about? Stop them now. I'm like because they don't understand
our
it.
own and they don't still use the word but I think it's a tree or
something no one so some people entiasie internet now say yama amanfo say KUMERICA na say and I'm sure that there are people here in KUMERICA and Kumasi are omontiasie and I think they all deserve the chance to understand it and that is why we came all the way. And as I said earlier, no first time ever me nyanyumda enya me lie wa on DJ wo
na Zionfelix on crime because we nimu me who say what to do enti we say we ko don cancel when the nyomo by
no no go KUMERICA movement.
Wow, so the music is about what?
So I have Lowen on the track.
I
have Ypee on it. I have Osekom Sekeni on it. I have Amerado.
Hey.
Yaa Jackson.
Hey.
One BM. Frimpong also. Or maybe 7 or 8.
Wow.
Rapfather, yes. Omuna also. Because of the movement, no.
Wow.
If I say we also have these talents in KUMERICA.
Wow.
Yes.
Flocking Stone also
Flocking Stone Ypee.
Okay.
And a strong man so Ypee.
Oh, okay.
You know, so I think the same agenda. Into Obaha na the same into yenya pushy the KUMERICA agenda.
Okay.
And come the Flocking Stone na yesterday kana me no more.
Oh, okay.
O video to the KUMERICA no. And I Kempaluta won again so. Into the same thing to Osabaha. I say effort no e mo be che. Into no ye bo pushing the na ye bo pushing ni say be the KUMERICA thing will go beyond what people think is a normal trend. It is not normal trend. It is an agenda that we are using to push everything Kumasi, not just music.
Wow.
Everything Kumasi. Say yeah, can I follow you but you how to be there. They say Kwame Nijin, Fadama boy.
Yeah, Fadama, yeah.
They say Fadama for winning artist of the year. Stone Boy Ashaman. Kolego no Shatawale.
Kofi Kinata.
Westside Legacy. Westside Legacy they have Kinata, they have Isam. Westside Legacy was started with few guys. I know them. This guy, it's called Spain. Few people, and now they've pushed several fancy boys.
Yeah.
So if we also hold this thing, even this guy too much.
Too much.
What's that legacy?
Yeah.
So this thing, so yes, so we are a bit me. Ako na abua the region. You know, I'm sure by Friday day. Na everything is done. Almost everybody has recorded. Aka Yane, Rapfather.
Okay.
And Pure is also here. We are doing everything Kumasi.
Wow. Pure Waha.
Pure Accra.
Oh, okay.
Pure Accra. But also no, I am not Bantama.
Yeah.
Bantama.
Yeah. Pure in the studio. No Bantama.
And can come hook na
wow.
So everything Kumasi. Yeah, we will come back and shoot video in Kumasi. Yeah. And you are going to do.
Move shoot video no Kumasi.
No, and I'm going to say a KUMERICA. So
KUMERICA.
Yes, me. Botarigin. That's how you know.
And Sugakupana. And
Bruno. It is a KUMERICA thing. So you promote artists, you promote the environment of Kumasi. You promote the tourist sites or tourist destinations of Kumasi. So we here. Video camp will be a Jukia. So we have Lake Bosumchi in Kumasi. So we have a very nice place as Menshia Palace in Kumasi. Now it's me atutu what's say shall I know I work it
and not you say obi raise we say I'm sure that cause controversies between Yene America for because that's it no na American KUMERICA and I'm saying no ain't me and no dey say far from that and I'm ebo
no edinua dokra ne beba edinua do ne nkabom ne beba KUMERICA ne American tem because yin na no more or less no yeah lifestyle no and as you steez no ba ko pe oye blinks na America wo ho asante amamrem no nana otumfo say to the second otenasia who say obo asigunuko what you say
what did tell me say for the first time my mouth says Zionfelix or you very decent but and then you know what check no Poleeno minimum me no want for so many times you who say what your friend is saying what say earring near there no Zion no near there
no if you are banning now, oh yeah, you have to tune yourself to the situation. You can't do a hip hop track and be wearing a kaftan like what boss African way. Now the trap video. I mean, you know, say yeah, you be a worshiper. I do live worship. Yeah, so. If I'm doing live worship, you're doing everything live worship. You are in the presence of God. So if you are doing a hip hop thing with Amerado, who is a hip hopper. With Ypee, who's a hip hopper, with Lewen, who is coming to rap, with Yaa Jackson on his baby on a hip hop beat. So you have to tune yourself to that mood because I can't go and wear African print on the big video.
Hey, what about Eno? And Eno's why I need
Eno, you see. Mete yourself with I don't know about that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mete yourself with
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when I'm here, no. Me who say a platform because me started to me push I want to know.
Artists in the doors.
The people are calling.
Yeah, next time me cry me fro. And I'm me
they are also of what they idea. You know, as I said earlier, no, is to push KUMERICA, everything Kumasi. So we're almost done with the audio. If we are next 2 weeks, we come back. And then one no be can almost one cry. Yaa Jackson right now, any Amerado one cry.
Okay.
In your bar, now you're the Kumasi director. A trap. Now it's 100% KUMERICA. Nothing foreign. When I was to Bamcho, and yet tribalism near ye.
Debbie. I don't know me person much because as a man for be offended.
Debbie.
Then Zion who is any tribal
way. Jene. You feel say you pushy young for. You know, over we have a lot of places other tribes Aina, Ishane, even yesterday, I interviewed some boys at Akata Force then.
Akata for you for
yeah, okay, be I'm not sure so Omunya Santa for.
Okay.
Be from other tribes.
But so Omdom
Jim. So it's not bad say as at the phone corner anymore. The region woman.
What's in the match? Actually, the vibe.
Exactly. You could be an Evan, but what's a sentiment? What can I have? You could be a fancy, you could be a bruni, but only at the time I said, go say, lose that in crack. Oh, bruni. Yeah. But I have this idea. Yeah. Vibe. KUMERICA. Yeah. So, and you say, I'm not open as the phone to no. Oh, and you Kumasi, and you say, Asante Fonko no. So let's come together and push where we are.
Yeah, okay. So we just say call the September by Oya Asante.
Exactly. Stoneboy Ashamani. He's a Botarian.
Yeah.
Stoneboy is a Botarian.
But represent
Ashaman because I want to watch Nami Uno.
Okay.
You get you know what's the hand there? You shouldn't be Asante Nkwana be because of area now no we dey obeka by force okay ho
wow
yenya yem pushing because ekoyi a ekoma won so na otia no yen ka say we went no on kan ho nti ento onwoma no nti nyina yen kambom na ade e ba no emayem bu na ntia yem push because now ajibe bia
o say ajibe bia
because Poleeno no post video that's okay me
and run kwam post here
it's okay me
IG ana
kokra
everywhere
obi aso KUMERICA
nti no adna ba no emeyen enwo ya ho ase na influencer and this is best ye industry place ni say the thing that we were doing now now that attention is on us, let's put more energy into it.
Okay, like the film
the film, the enyum no. If you first name release you, better enfa.
Okay.
But now since attention is on us no, if we put in little effort, it will go. We make plans. I mean, Poleeno ne. It will shock you. We are taking over everywhere.
Wow.
Yep. TV like everywhere. That's why I'm saying that we are shooting video. So that everywhere, and you know radio everywhere, the video is on all TV platforms promoting KUMERICA.
Wow.
You go over them.
It go over you.
Now, my first I say, and come artists are. You know me, oh, in fact, the lab they've shown me, they've made me realize that my Jumapa.
Wow, I
was shocked. This idea came yesterday when we come to Kumasi. If I say interviews, now you're yeah, Bano, and about teams, and about teams. Oh, at least Miss Knight not a crumb new amount for or book myself or me to 4. Wow, let me just contact them. Maybe I'm WhatsApp PPU, so PPU, I want to do some KUMERICA thing within 1 hour. What's any beats? Me know what's happening within 1 hour as any beats. Wow. And about 3 p.m. we are not catch a level. Could you be me how as I if I remember I'm saying show a BGC for a presenter in the northern region or Accra or elsewhere to come and push us. Yeah, say yeah not a far. Almost yeah fire baby. Yeah. Everybody pass all over Ghana. Yeah. And can also mean ya and can end more munsum. Until yeah some no you is pushing more. Edia ebefa bia and I make up presenter some no na entertainers on the other side so no almost check yourself. I want to check yourself. The musicians, the actors, and people in the game, you know, because right now some presenters be complaining say if you give them support New Year, later also here, you know,
I don't need some no. I don't need some. I can give you like 2, but
yeah, it's no. Send media guys, ever support who artists, who entertainer no. Say it do maybe so soon here wa. Now also know what value. Don't be giving excuses because when you support Navy because you come again. No one support you because when I'm come support you no. But he did support you and then it do so here no you turn your back on him or her. So to the presenters I know say most people are supporting. Yeah. Let's put in more energy and then artists knows make sell. When you bench the team into no people are represent and will be also anybody you. Everybody you. So artists shouldn't think that the media platform is not there. The platform is very big. It's very big. One man obi da baba am yeska.
One man say Nigeria nyum bibio. What you say?
You get it, you know, let's try and all help ourselves. Now audience no there be if only complaining anything that say oh and I had presenters both for instance in your audience no because the man on par he has no choice than to give you what you want. Yeah. And say the BBC bar the listeners, the viewers, the audience no super mature. Unsom this interlebu komi. Unsom yeah. Because unya binyeska on a baby be amount when you na this is a KUMERICA thing. Me ma me or create your market. Me be or Bantuma. It is a thing. Texas for say me no baby despite movie
Los Angeles.
Hey, sir. Oh, about Los Angeles.
Relocate one of
wow.
From Bremen to
from Texas to
Texas
okay.
to Los Angeles.
From Texas to Los Angeles.
And I've been interviewed of Florida.
The movement here.
What's I say? And that's I'm going to ask. Poleeno, when you're paying for being on money, didn't come more. Yeah. Your friend is okay, we so the person says Kumasi ding and penny for so say no must be fast hard way.
Yene and go for be akasa and then Ubia support it. Talking of opinion for no, Yene him for be kasa.
Oh, okay.
They are very impressed with the movement KUMERICA. They are looking forward to say Ombetimi Ayananka Nana Edina no ide. Atum nese. Yeah, sign stamp na ide. Apim to nese esi. But na me de kakra e kan Zion de and say with the audience and I say omu demand for enyum bi ho a DJs no and then I meet one DJ na mixing na annoying obo ebi a Drake no abebo Ypee obo we no obo ebi a Kimpaluta I was meeting the be one na
wow Wow.
Oh yeah, there you get a vibe.
Or as a DJ, yeah.
Or bomb who say yeah, America Kumerica no. Eh for. I know say obi also try say obey this ebe fa.
Zion there or see a bit to me the afra.
Yeah, with the afra. It was a Kumerica Kumne Kumasa na Erica no. America. Now okay. You see there are some I don't know why I train on social media. I go. Yeah. I as some can say let's take those ones as may I go. So the boys be now. Okay. And now is to help push the thing. Because say you will be how we see there are 1,001 ways of cleaning the cat. And I was United States of Ashanti passports. Visa. A fun part of it.
Now me okay, me come me put some passport, but I mean some refugees.
Oh yeah. Omo sa ko no you visa. Say no na you visa. Oslo usu. Oh visa. Onya visa be 5 minutes now when you the passport the visa.
It's all about 200.
Oh, 20 Oslo usu 20. Wow. Enche Oslo usu land wo. KUMERICA airport. Na Shata. Why anymore? Oh no, is by 4 citizens. That's right. I'm going
business.
On about 2 weeks. Yes, I'm 2 weeks.
Oh, are they, bro?
So, we shall video call. Oh, and so you see, those ones are just the fun aspect of it. We have, according to Portfolio Amerado now, he happens to be one of the PR for the American movement. Or more the cultural aspect there. They have the business aspect there. Because even that t-shirt to me, wow! I saw pictures online about a Central Market. A go baby. Wow! I'm for in bulk or mountain. I think they even interview a baby or say a deal to tomb 40 pieces.
That's right.
Yeah.
Aside your Juma.
So it has a business aspect of it. So it's not just the trending now boys in the year no one. And then I'm sure even those boys those start making money out of it, because if you are no ultimate movie, that's what bundle, shut bundle, or call Nigeria Kucha Pisco video.
What you say?
You get it. So, Abba, me and Kase will send you and a mood, and we say, well, those things will make it go. So just support it.
Zion, a question be about me is here, and just in case, Poleeno, we are not first person, so no, where you are no. Just in case, be a said, Pisco and Moton suffer. Your friend is saying, Shaka Bundle, say, Omrano, Rame, audio money video. Next, I mean, say, Wama to KUMERICAN movement, and on person back Shanty region. Omo be KUMERICA, me fans omo be KUMERICA. No more be bra. You been your welcome team beer. You be welcome omo be banana now say. I don't get it.
I think the movement, no, there are people I hear omo here. I can say committee. NYDJ's part. I hear friends saying. Portfolio, David. Floating stones, so air part, and then other bones, look at home. So these people, I don't know all of them. So I'm sure they have a man for Omudi anymore, or making sure say things will be put in place. And you know, send me buy and I mean, man for them Kasaya no. But maybe I'm to say, oh, when Muna start here, also no because I go Tab boy akata for no. That's all the word KUMERICA buy. Wow. Yes. Into no oh you know, you been on name much about the KUMERICA thing. No, I'll meet me. I will come home. One chapter wanted to do song with Kumasi for no. Not up 5 rappers. Oh, okay. He had somebody to talk to. Oh, I say about KUMERICA. Portfolio on the Kasai. Wow. And Portfolio gave him great list, and even pleaded to him for him to add more person. Not to be convincing man they can't home. Paluta can't. Wow. So now the not over 5 or 6. Shatter. Oh, why KUMERICA? Why KUMERICA? Yeah. On us already there. And I about 6 remix and all. Yeah, I know. Frimpong was so Ypee, Paluta, and 3 other people. A
whole movement.
I didn't know
it. So let's all help and then push it, because the Korea na even say obi be show ha ya ne beko ya na akoton enema ho say so na ma why are you going to say your thing. So let's push it. The Ejinana boys near big wa ha. Whenever they are coming, they will import outsiders. They will use our own paluta, our own kaboom, our own Ypee, flip more.
Because all we need that.
It didn't work. You have no choice than to use our people. By your support, more, not a no. I question there be another Nigeria for bar, Nigeria for bar. Let's support our own.
Okay, let's support our own big. Poleeno.
Yeah.
Mami Musa we answer. Say I can yes support your own Kumerican movement. You know, gidi. Have we thought about events, places? Me fancy say movement na baba be big. Support na I am more. Yeah. Shatawale ba oni Kumericans baba be perform it. Like there be an a stadium, there be an a more, and no like event places in Kumerica.
Talking about event places, no, I mean, Dika and Kansim we answer. I was even thinking of say the movement, no, Abeka. Meaning saying go for between say be a acha ireswa bosumi mi no e be free ho. But say yes so ye be boama adenaka ho no. I will say media houses no any artists no nyina eba in conclusion say we need to create something like a festival. Maybe a Kumerica festival which maybe we using 3 days for the event. Maybe a first day exhibition and no you bit me exhibit here entire nyoma ye wono ebia asante amamrene sa enyoma ni nyina. The second day will be like a competition, swimming competition, dancing competition, and then the third day no na ya artist night na ya bo na aye ade a ebeka every year no you be organize our event no which is like Kumerica festival na aka and no be boama movement na eden aka forever and our event in there meaning say I start in there enya day am for aswati then they will do something
then you can't champion for because movement any big enti enya da bia na bia ye be call more enya da bia na be call stadium
because you be able to fill stadium you be able to fill more that subject is very very important na ke yemusa say see event center what is it for? It's for concert or for event. Now if nobody is organizing events why do you have to put up such a place? That is why we need to make this thing work. So Juma say people are organizing events. The investors will know why they should put their money into putting up such places. Now we see dome now the whole year Baba 5 na aberrant here. You're paying bills of Oboka. Nje adura say a pikina say the bia concert ekoso kokuflick bo Ypee bo we bo no the investors know say sa Kumerica hono there's high demand for event places. They come and set up. I don't think say the investors just woke up say because cranty let me put up Fantasy Dome. Let me put up this thing. No, because we said event also. We said this year, there will be a certain VJMs. There will be Ghana Nigeria, so they will need event centers. But what event centers will be Kruma, Obi Amosua. Where the boy know one so you get it. So let's make this thing work. And we cannot say you boast now. The investors will see say, oh, me investing into event centers or how let me give 20K for a day component at least maybe a month maybe 5 or 10 craba make it cost so we have few places where your company say and but say na say ejina na people we get the bigger